it was a pretty calm day out there and a pretty calm weekend. Believe it or not, last night we got down into those 30s below that freezing mark. And right now we're looking at those conditions warm way up into those lower, if not upper 60s. That's about a 38-degree spread. Now we could see even warmer temperatures by Friday because on the horizon we're looking at about 80 degrees, believe it or not. Yesterday we went from 70 down to 30, 40 degrees. Now we're back up into those 60s, and we can see them drop back down into those 30s, if not below that freezing mark. Again, we have our eyes peeled for a lot of this colder weather as it starts to make our way further into December. And you would think things would be a little bit colder. Colder than 66 right now. Everybody else joining us in a good combination of those 70s and mid to upper 60s. And when we look across the entire region, we're seeing just a couple warm spots down there to the southeast near Junction. That's where we're holding on to that 7 degrees. But we're looking at everybody relatively cool off in the same sort of pattern. Now this clear air really kind of cold from the mountains. That's what's going to keep us cold but clear for the rest of the week, believe it or not. Right now we're looking at those temperatures across the entire nation, seeing how Montana and Colorado have jumped back up into the 40s and 50s. Last week, they were down there in almost the single digits. They were around 12 degrees. Now, that's a huge jump as we continue to watch some of this cold air move across the east, or if not the northern part of the nation. Now, when we look at the moisture tracker, we are watching a lot of dry, cold air continue to push across the region. But we have an interesting sort of frontal system that's going to make its way down across the Gulf Coast region, but it's really going to stay calm across the state of Texas for the next couple of days. In fact, the upper level pattern really showing us some strong ridging that's going to make its way towards the central plains U.S., and that can set up for some record heat. Believe it or not, these temperatures are going to get pretty strong. In fact, when we look at this setup of the pattern, the strong troughing off to the east and strong troughing off to the west coast, this is what the heat dome looked like all summer. Now, when we get a better look at some of those conditions as we start to make our way towards the rest of the week, we're looking at some pretty hot weather. Right now, we're watching this high pressure, again, watching this frontal system make its way down across the Ohio River Valley, and that's what we could hope for as far as seeing that frontal system push through. But you can see some of these clouds quickly giving up because of that high pressure. A lot of suppressive, stable conditions across the entire region and whole state of Texas. Panhandle saw a few clouds, but not enough moisture from it as we continue to watch New Mexico drink up all the moisture. Now, when we look at the futurecast, we're just going to continue to see this dry weather for the next couple of days, but believe it or not, we're not dealing with that drought anymore. Now, as we start to make our way towards tomorrow, going to be a beautiful day because we're only 3 days away from Hanukkah. So we're looking at some pretty cooperative holiday weather. In fact, tonight, we're going to be dropping back down into those upper 30s. Could get a little colder than that. We're always watching for that freezing mark. And then tomorrow, those clear skies really going to pave the way for that 70-degree weather. Really calm winds across the entire region. In fact, we saw some windier conditions this weekend, and they could return by Thursday. In fact, that's what we're watching as these temperatures begin to warm up into those 70s. We could see some pretty windy conditions by Thursday, but by Friday, there it is, 80 degrees. Now watch this drop as that cold front pushes through 58 degrees as we near that freezing mark again. Could get even colder than those 30s, but then we gradually work our way back up into those 60s. Stay tuned with more up at the break. You're watching KSAN News at 5.